This Thai basil chicken stir fry is one of my favorite takeout dishes to make at home, and it's ready in under 30 minutes. Let's bake it. To start, I marinate my chicken in some soy sauce, cornstarch, and then sesame oil. And then once it's marinated, I add it to a really hot pan with some oil, and then I let it get a nice crisp crust on the outside. I don't cook it all the way through. I let it simmer a little bit in the sauce once it's done. Now I transfer the chicken to a plate, and then I make the rest of my dish. So I saute some red bell peppers for a couple minutes to get some color on them, and then I add in my ginger and garlic and saute. Next goes my green onions, and then I add my chicken back to the pan. Make sure to get all those pan drippings and the sauce back in. Next, I add 2 kinds of soy sauce. I like to do regular soy sauce and then dark soy sauce because it has a little bit extra sweetness. And then I add in water and honey. Toss to coat the chicken in the sauce, and then add in the Thai basil leaves. Stir once more, and then serve immediately with your favorite rice, lentils, quinoa. This is going to be your new favorite meal. Enjoy!